We couldn't be more different. My mother and I, she exudes poise, elegance, and an unwavering sense of self. While I am known for my goofy nature, outgoing personality, and my constant need to please others, throughout my entire childhood, finding common ground with my mother was a struggle. It wasn't just a matter of different generations. It was also the fact that my mother was an immigrant from India, while I was an American kid desperately trying to find my place in the world without a language to fully comprehend my own identity. To make matters even more daunting, I had to live up to the high standards my mother set for me and herself. I would wake up in awe of her flawless appearance, as if she had just stepped out of a hair salon. It was no surprise that she was deeply admired by her friends and coworkers. And to top it all off, my mother proudly declared that she didn't wear deodorant because she simply didn't smell. The pressure to measure up to her impeccable standards seemed insurmountable. I often wondered how I would ever live up to the ideals my mother had set for me, let alone the ones she held for herself. How could I reconcile my goofy, outgoing nature with her poised and no-nonsense demeanor? How could I find my own identity amidst the expectations she had for me? Fortunately, over time, I discovered that our differences didn't have to be barriers. Instead, they became catalysts for growth, understanding, and a deeper connection between us. I realized that my mother's poise and elegance didn't have to be the standard by which I measured myself. Instead, they could serve as a source of inspiration. And in return, she began to appreciate my ability to bring laughter and joy into our lives. While we may still be opposites in many ways, my mother and I have come to embrace our differences as the strength that binds us together. We have learned to navigate through the challenges of cultural and generational gaps, finding common ground where our unique perspectives can coexist harmoniously.